right, friends, today we're going to draw a deer dressed up for winter. And here's what our drawings look like at the very end. I hope you're going to follow along with me. We're using our markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have, like colored pencils or even crayons. Now, because I'm using markers to draw with, I'm also drawing on marker paper. That helps make the markers last longer and also protects the table from the markers bleeding through the paper. All right, I hope you have your drawing supplies ready. Let's get started. Let's start by drawing our deer's nose in the middle of our paper towards the top. I'm going to draw an oval shape, small oval. And then we could also color this in, but leave a little highlight to make the nose shiny. Then we can draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a big circle for one eye and then the same size circle for the other eye. And then we can also draw a smaller circle in the top left to make the eyes look shiny like we usually do. We can color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Now, anytime I go too fast, or if we fast forward the video, remember you can always pause the video for more time. Okay, now let's draw the mouth. Let's draw the letter U coming out from the center and off to the left, and then repeat that for the other side of the mouth going to the right. Then we can draw the mouth open and really cute, really happy. And then we can also draw a tongue inside and then color in the top shape. Okay, now we're ready to draw our deer's head. And let's start with the side. We're going to draw two lines coming down next to the eyes. And then we can draw the cheeks. And we're going to curve around. And we're going to come under the mouth, over for the other cheek, and then curve in on that side. We're trying to make them look the same on both sides, but this side's a little chubbier, it's bigger, and then this one's smaller. And that's okay. The most important thing is to have fun and practice. All right, now let's draw the top of our deer's head. We're going to draw the bottom of the hat curving over to the other side. And now we could draw the stocking hat. Let's draw, or the winter hat, we're going to draw it coming up, curving out of the side and up. This is the folded part on the bottom of the hat. And then we can draw a curve to match the bottom over to the other side. Okay, now for the top of the hat, we'll draw it curving up and down. and then let's draw the pom-pom on top. We can draw zigzags or bumpy lines over and try to make a circle shape. Okay, now for the antlers, let's draw them coming out of the hat. So first we're going to draw an S curve that curves both directions. So we'll curve one way and then back the other way. Now at the top, we're going to curve back down, and we can repeat the same thing on the other side. Try to match. This one's a little bigger. So we've got a big cheek over here and a big antler on the other side to balance it out. We're going to draw two more of those little upside down letter U's and then connect in to the hat. And then we can do the same thing and connect in. There we go. There's our little antlers. And then we can draw the pointy ears. Let's draw them curving out of the hat also. And then curve back in to the hat. Now we can also add another curve inside so that the ears look more 3D. Okay, now we're ready to draw the scarf, and then we can also draw the body. So first, let's draw two bumps coming down and this side too. And then we're gonna draw a curve to connect these, they're the sides of the scarf, and we're gonna match the bottom of our deer's face or chin. Then we can draw the legs. We're going to draw our deer sitting. So first let's draw two lines coming down from the middle of the scarf. And then we can curve them around and then shoot them back up into the scarf. Curve around and then shoot back up. And I made them a little wider towards the top. And then we can draw the feet. And then let's draw the body. We can draw it coming out from the scarf on both sides. I'm realizing it kind of looks like Pikachu. Then we can draw the feet sticking out to the side. So our deer is sitting. And then let's also draw the bottom or the other side of the foot coming down or diagonal out. And then we'll curve. Let's turn this into an oval so that it looks really 3D. So we'll curve like that and put an oval on this side going the other direction. They're diagonal. And then we can draw this same kind of foot line or hoof line on the bottom of our deer's foot. And then we can also draw the belly in between the two front legs. Oh, and also let's add the side of the scarf sticking out. I'm going to draw it here and coming back in. And then we can draw little detail on the end of the scarf. And we did it. We finished drawing our deer, our winter deer, except we still need to color it. That'll make it look more like a deer and less like Pikachu. But this part I'm going to fast forward, so you can pause the video and take time to color your drawings also. I finished coloring it. It looks so much better. I hope you'll take time to color your drawings too. Now it really looks like a deer. I used two browns, a medium brown and a really light brown for the face and also the belly. Then I used my white paint marker to add little baby deer spots on its nose. And I also added snowflakes to the background, but you could color yours any way you want and change the background. You could add more deer or even a forest, lots of trees, and a lot of snow. Remember to have fun and use your imagination to complete your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.